Hello everyone and welcome to the fifth tutorial of SwiftUI. In this we are going to learn different stacks in SwiftUI. So the previous lesson was on frames and alignment, and in this we are going to discuss how to arrange view either vertically, horizontally, or from back to front. In total we have three stack views in SwiftUI. The first one is VStack, which is vertical and it arranges the views in vertical order. Then we have HStack and it arranges views in horizontal order. Then we have ZStack. The views arranged from top to bottom are in the order of back to front. So let's look at how different stacks arrange view in different order. So first of all we have VStack, and let's create a circle and let's give it a frame of width and height. Because we have a circle, so we don't need to add height to it. Width already justifies what height would be. So next we are going to fill it with a color. Now let's add two more circles to our view. So here we have added three circles. Now let's change the color to differentiate. So here we have three different circles in a VStack and they are arranged in vertical order. Now let's see how HStacks work. HStack is going to arrange a view in horizontal order. And let's see how ZStack works. So ZStacks arrange view in back to front. So first it places a red, then yellow, and then green. That is the reason we can only see green over here. So now let's change its width. For the red one, let's make it 200. For the yellow one, let's make it 150. So the first it places red with a width and height of 200, then on it places yellow with a width and height of 150, and above all it's green with width and height of 100. So this is how different stacks work. Now let's move back to our VStack. So here we have VStack and the circles are arranged in vertical order, and we can see that there is space between them. Now how to increase or decrease spaces between them? So for that we have spacing. So let's introduce spacing, and in order to remove the space we can add 0 to the spacing, and thus we can see that the spacing has been removed and our circles are arranged in vertical order with no space. So by increasing the value of spacing we can increase the space between the views that are arranged in different stacks. So if I'm going to change this V to H, so it's going to display our circles horizontally with a spacing of 30. Now let's look at how frame works. So here we have three different circles. First one with a width and height of 300. Second circle has width and height 100, and third one also has width and height of 100. The frame of the VStack is defined by the views inside the stack. So right now we have the largest width is 300. So the VStack frame width is 300. So this is the frame that is drawn from the VStack, and by default arrangement is to the center. Now if I need to make or align these circles to the leading, we can introduce alignment to our VStack and we can give leading. So the circle will be arranged to the leading. Now the circle will move to the leading of the frame of our VStack. So the frame of the VStack is determined by the views inside it stack. So here the largest view that we have is of circle with a frame width of 300. Now in VStack the views are arranged vertically, but the alignment is added horizontally, like it could be leading, it could be trailing, but not top bottom. But if I change this VStack to HStack, it will give an error of that alignment can't be horizontal, it need to be vertical. So we can add either top, bottom, or center. So here we have views arranged in center. So here we have arranged HStack views in center. Now if I need to give leading or trailing, it will make no sense. We can either give top or bottom. Like for HStacks we have views arranged horizontally, but the alignment is vertically. We can use top to move our circles to the top. Similarly we can use bottom to move our circles to the bottom. Now if I need to add another view behind these circles, we can introduce ZStack. As we discussed, ZStack works from back to front, so we can add another circle with a frame, and beneath this circle we can add our HStack. So now as we discussed that ZStack works from back to front. So first we have circle of black color, then we have our different circles in HStack. So this is how you can use different stacks to arrange our views, and for VStack it's vertical arrangement, for HStack the views are arranged horizontally, and for ZStack, it's back to front. Now, so here we need to understand one important point, that for VStack, views are arranged vertically, but the alignment is horizontally. So here we have VStack where our views are arranged vertically, but alignment is horizontally. It could be leading or trailing. And for HStack, we have opposite, that views are arranged horizontally, but the alignment is vertically, either top or bottom, or it could be center. So we discussed stack, alignment, and spacing. So you can use these combinations to create good user experience. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned from it. Stay tuned for more lessons.